Hello aspirants, let us continue our last topic, tenses. I have taught you continuous tense in my last video. Let us proceed with perfect continuous tense. You can see this has a perfect and continuous. So we will use perfect and continuous rules both in this tense. What we use in perfect tense? Has, have, had plus verbs third form. And in continuous what we use? Be. Be family means is, am, are, was, were plus verbs first form ing. Right? We will use, as you can see that perfect continuous tense we are going to study now. So we will use the perfect tense, helping verb of perfect tense in perfect continuous tense. Has, have, had. And we will use continuous wing, verbs first form plus ing. But what we have to do with verbs third form and plus be? We will use in perfect continuous tense both as verbs third form of be. What is verbs third form of be? It is be, was, been. Been is the verbs third form of be. So we will use be in perfect continuous tense. I hope you got that. In this perfect continuous tense, there is one thing, the identification of it is at the end of the time, you will see that at the end of the sentence there is raha for continuity, and for perfection it will give you time. It will give you time. So we will use since and for preposition. Since and for preposition for time. How we use it? We will use since whenever a fixed point of time is given. A point of time is given, like 2 o'clock. It's a fixed time. 1987. It is a fixed time. Point of time. And when for it will become when the point of time is not given. When the point of time is not given. How is it possible that a point of time is not given and a time is given? Like a gardener is watering the plants for 2 hours. 2 घंटे से. कौन से 2 घंटे? It is not fixed. It will be from 1 to 3. It will be from 12 to 2. It will be from 4 to 6. So it is not a point of time. It is just a measurement, that a duration of time, that from these hours the work done has been going on. I hope you got that. Whenever you will go apply since when the point of time is mentioned in the sentence, and when will you apply for when the point of time is not given. So let us start our perfect continuous tense. I hope you memorize it. So let us see the structure. Present perfect continuous tense structure. Present perfect continuous tense structure is saying that we will use subject plus has, have plus been plus wing plus object. Has, have of perfect tense. Been, we have seen that verbs third form of be, and continuity, for continuity it is wing and object. As You know that whenever has is used with the singular object excluding I, we will not apply has with the I and have with plural subject plus I. And what we use in past perfect continuous tense, what is the past perfect helping verb? It is had plus been plus being for perfect continuous tense, and had with each subject, you know it very well. And for future continuous tense, future continuous tense, it is subject plus will shall plus have been. As you know, as you remember, we will use in future perfect tense as a helping verb is will have or shall have. The same is here, will have or shall have, but perfect continuous been plus wing and object. Whenever you want to place not for negative sentences, you have to place not after first helping verb. Has not been, it will become has not been or have not been. It is right, but if you are saying that, it will be has been not, it will not. It's a wrong one. This will right. In the same way we place not after had, and in the same way we place not after will or shall. We will not place after have. I have told you we have to place not after first word of helping. Let us see the example. मैं 2 घंटे से स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. You can see that here time is mentioned and raha is also mentioned, which is the identification for perfect continuous tense. I have been going to school for 2 hours. I for मैं, have been going for perfect continuous to school because it is not a fixed point of time, so we will place for here. वे 2 बजे से, you can see here बजे and you can see here घंटे. वो 2 बजे से स्कूल जा रहे हैं. They is a plural one, have been going to school because it is a point of time 2 o'clock, so we will mention since here, since 2 o'clock. मैं 2 घंटे से स्कूल जा रहा था. It shows it's a past perfect continuous tense. I had been going to school because it is not a point of time, so for 2 hours. वे 2 बजे से स्कूल जा रहे थे. 2 बजे, it's a point of time. They had been going to school since 2 o'clock. Let us see some more example. So I have taken here another examples. माली पिछले 3 घंटों से पौधों को पानी दे रहा होगा. You can see it's a future perfect continuous tense. It is a continuous tense and it is perfection. So it is future perfect continuous tense. So what is the English of Mali? The gardener. Future will. The gardener will have been watering. पौधों को पानी देना, it's a watering. The gardener will have been watering the plants for. Why it is for? अब आप कहोगे कि पिछले 3 घंटे से. अब हमें नहीं पता ना कि पिछले 3 घंटे मीन्स कि यही जो जिस पे काम हो रहा है. अब हमें वर्क डन का टाइम भी नहीं पता कि यहाँ पे कौन से बजे काम हो रहा है, तो हम नहीं कह सकते कि पिछले 3 घंटे वो स्पेसिफिक टाइम है. It is not a perfect point. So for last 3 hours. मैं 1987 से इस घर में रह रहा हूँ. It is a point of time. Sun 1987. It's a year. I, you know it very well. What we use with I and we, shall. I shall have been living in this house because it is a point of time since 1987. I hope you got the perfect continuous tense very well. If there if there is any type of query, you can ask me in the comment box, and your comment are appreciable for me. It's a great appreciation for me. Please make a comment over it. Thank you.